How to reactivate Twitter account after 30 days. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can reactivate your Twitter account after 30 days, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally what happens over here is that if you just say let's go and then actually open up your Twitter account, and then you have deactivated your Twitter account and it has already been 30 days since you deactivated your account, and now when you try to reactivate it, it says you can't reactivate it. But is that really the case? Whenever you try to deactivate the account, Twitter does say that you have up to 30 days to reactivate it, but in reality they actually give you up to a year to still reactivate your account. And in order to do this, you can just go ahead and then try to log into your Twitter account using the same credentials. Here you can see I'll just go ahead and then log into my account, and here you can see reactivate your Twitter account. So right over here it will ask you for a confirmation to reactivate it, and now you can just tap the yes reactivate option, and then you will be able to go ahead and then reactivate your Twitter account. This way you can reactivate your Twitter account even if it's been already over 30 days. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.